The STO N SHO comes with everything you need to complete the installation. Let's get started. First, remove the two center screws by using a T27 torque socket. Install the base plate using the two 6mm by 20mm bolts and washers. Ensure the tubes are down and the pole pin is to the right as looking at the car. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, tighten the two 6mm bolts. Secure your license plate to the bracket using the four 6mm panhead screws and nuts. Now simply slide the front plate into the base plate and your installation is complete.